So this is the cover for the rear folding seat catch. So it is over here to cover this catch. So in this cover, as you can see, there are two fixed clip and there's two more flexible clip. And here, just a movable part so that you can get through this catch. So we're going to try to install this. To install, make this a flexible flap this way, and you're going to install this to fix the tab first, and then press this tool to make it clip into the carpeted panel like this. So get through this catch and try to install the lower part, the fixed tab first, and then try to push it in, and on the top you try to get this tool in and press and press and press. So now the two fixed clip and the two flexible clip in the position. The four clips are held by this panel, and finally make this panel flat like this. And that's how to install the cover for the folding seat catch.